I'm going to show you how to create an activity from a PowerPoint in Boom Learning. So the first thing you're going to do is you need to go to Boom Learning, wow.boomlearning.com. If you don't have an account, you can get one for free, although I don't think you can create anything in a free account. But so you can look for the choices and find one so you can create something. But then you're going to sign in. So we're going to click this. I sign in with my email and username. You can sign in however you would like. And then once you sign in, it's going to take you to a home page, but I want you to click on Studio here. So we have Studio Store. So because we're going to choose New Decks here. Okay? Now, if we're going to create something from a PowerPoint, we have to have a PowerPoint to start with. So to do that, what we're going to do is I'm going to run my Teacher Pay Teacher over here. If you don't know anything about that, you can go to Teacher Pay Teachers and get a free account. So I want something free today for you to choose. So we're just going to choose right here this option where it says price. We're going to click on free. Okay, and then I want it to be a PowerPoint. So over here where it says format, we're going to click on Microsoft and click on PowerPoint here. And then just to make it easier, then I search for book. Okay, so if we scroll down, there should be one here. This one. I've not read this one, but it seems to be a simple activity that we can use. So you're going to download it onto your computer, and then we're going to use it. So let me move this. Now you're going to need to find it and have it open on your computer. This is just opened up. This is how it opened when I did it. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go across up here at the top where it says Design. You're going to click on Design. Then you're going to click on Slide Size. And then you're going to change this to 7 and 5. Now, you can just try this without changing the size. Sometimes it works pretty good. Sometimes the pages look a little funny. So just to be on the safe side today, I'm showing you how to change the size to 7 and 5. Click Ensure Fit. And that should not change it too much. Occasionally, you'll have to change a few things on it. But for the most part, usually you don't. Then you're going to go up here to File. You're going to come to Save As. And right here, there's a choice that says JPEG. You're going to click that one. You're going to click Save. And click All Slides. Sorry, my sound is really loud, so that hopefully it will come across in this video. So that now is all you need to do for that. So I'm going to drag this out of the screen. So we're going to come back over here to our Boom. We're going to create, since we're in the studio, we have decks there. We're going to click on decks, click on New Deck. So it should look something like this. So, and then we're going to click right here. It says, would you like to create new cards using background images? This feature is useful to PowerPoint users, and so you're going to click yes. Then you're going to have to upload those images from your computer, wherever you had them. And if you'll click on the first one, and then you scroll down and click on the last one, it will upload them all. And it's going to number them. So you're going to, if you want them to appear in the same order, you're going to have to click on them in order. So you would click on page 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're not always in order in here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, like that. And now if you look, it has put them all in order. Okay. So if you don't need to do anything to it, all you wanted was that in there so you could move from page to page like this, then you're good. If you don't, you need to make some answers or something like that. Like let's say, and I have never read this book, so I'm having to look. I'm going to have to pull my PowerPoint back up to see what the answers are because I have no idea what the answers are. Okay. So this says, who sleeps like a log? And the answer is Rufus, it says. So maybe you want to put a page in there, and you're going to put the text, and you're going to say Rufus. Okay. And you can make it big, and then you can come down here and center it on the page. You change the background. You can add an image of whatever Rufus looks like. I don't know, because again, I've not read this book. But if you know, if you have an image of Rufus, or you could look on Google, you could search for one, you could find Rufus, put his image in here if you wanted to. And then what's going to happen is you're going through, and it's going to say, who sleep? I'm going to turn the sound off. If you don't want the sound, if you're doing an activity and like maybe you recorded the book and you don't want to hear it when you're playing it during class, just turn all the sounds off. This one is the feedback sound. So if they click yeah, right, they get like a ding. And if they click no, they get a different sound. That's to turn that off. But this one's all sounds. Okay. Then who sleeps like a log? And you're going to see Rufus. There are different ways to make an answer, but that's the easiest. So that is basically how you make it out of a PowerPoint. Again, if you have choices on it, you can look at some of my other videos on how to make different answer choices in Boom. But this is just a simple show you how to do how to import a PowerPoint. So have a wonderful day.